Here on the Globe Convoy, we're all about taking care of yourself. Make sure you exfoliate your skin with a strange black substance.
Weirdest, best morning waking up on the salt flats. Now stocking up, about to head to Cappadocia to a campsite we know, and then maybe some balloons.
Going to pull the key out of the ignition and the actual key is here. Let's hope it still works. Kebabs, barbecue, corn, chicken. We have an incredible selection.
So we have a ride here, just have a nice chill evening, make some barbecue, but the real fun starts tomorrow.
What time is it?
Fucking early. Oh, sorry, excuse my language. 4:54.
What's up?
Oh yeah.
Flat hands,
Very surreal, very tranquil, once in a lifetime. Definitely worth the 4:30 a.m.
real
start.
high right now. Fainted in our balloon.
What?
Oh,
shit.
As we were
Was it
landing.
yawning?
Yeah, as we were landing, she fainted. She was just on the floor next to us with her eyes wide open.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah. We're all just like holding her up while trying to end the brace position.
It was awkward, but no, it's great.
What you doing there, Becca?
When in doubt, do a crab crawl.
Yeah.
Oh, and here they are.
Then
Just in time.
well, it depends on who you buy it from.
This is
5 a.m. and everyone's waking up to go watch the sunrise on the ridge. So we now need to drive for 10-15 minutes to get to where the balloons are going before they do. Hopefully, it's a ridiculous view. Is it fishing? Yeah, so that was kind of awesome, but now we have to head on, otherwise we'll never make it to Kyrgyzstan. We are having a bit of fun. We have no idea where we're going. We're going directly east. Apparently there's some cool carvings in the mountain about 7 hours that way, so we don't know where we're staying, and it's nice to go a bit random for a change. Hopefully it works out. See you somewhere. Pop quiz, where are we going? Anyone?
South in rocks.
Faces and rocks. South is incorrect, we're going east.
East. Southeast.
Trying to fix our charging system.
Telling me this jumble of wires isn't perfectly working.
No, something melted to the side. So we've taken it apart to rearrange, and it should work. An hour ago, Turkish Armed Forces is sending tanks and military vehicles to the Syrian border, troops in Hatay. So we're heading southeast at the moment, but we use this app that updates you on like world things, like political issues or whatever that's going on. And there was a pin for the Iran-Turkey border saying there had been some people killed and some people held hostage. So we're going to try and avoid that by going east to where we want to go and then directly north. But there's nothing on the Syria border, so it's all okay.
And now we have a huge family asking to take a photo with us. And they're super friendly and this is nice. What's happening, Theo?
I don't actually know. Like, some people came over and now we're going to follow them.
Oh my god, they're waving so much.
They want us.
This is, I think they are saying follow. Let's see what happens, I guess.
Right, bitch. More! More!